Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this bitmap. I made a couple of copies of it. I've traced it. But what they're trying to do is trying to do this and then fill it in, which would be pretty cool. So with that selected, if you will go to your interactive fill tool and pick right here, PostScript fills, and this is what they're getting. And there's a couple of things bad about this, but the main reason they can't deal with it is they can't smart fill it because it's not individual pieces. Now, if I was going to do that and use this, see, I'm missing the outline. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a duplicate of that. Let me change my nudge factor. Let me move this out of the way. And this thing is less than 2 inches, so we'll make it 2 inches. And we're going to make a duplicate and move it over, and then I'm going to left click, right click. Now this isn't going to help them. Whoop, I jiggled it. And then go to the interactive fill tool and pick PostScripts, and there's a bunch of ones you can do if you use, but then to get the outline back, you could do that. So that's pretty cool, and that would probably print. Let's look at it with a yellow box real quick just to see what's back there. I think it's going to be all white. Yep. So it's all white, but that would still maybe engrave, but that's not going to help them because they're not going to print it. So using the Smart Fill tool to fill this in, it just fills in the whole thing because it's not broken apart. So what you can do is take this and ironically convert it to a bitmap, maybe grayscale, and then trace the bitmap, outline trace clip art. It's going to take just a second. And I'm going to add all the detail back, or put all the detail. And let's take away the color from the entire image. Well, that took away all my color. Let me back up here and get rid of it. Don't do that. You know what? I'm going to have to group this together. That's maybe the problem. Then go and convert it to a bitmap. And then trace the bitmap, outline trace clip art. And I'm going to go and bump up the detail. I'm not going to do the color stuff. And then move it out of the way. And now you can probably fill them in. But it's not perfect. Well, it is, it's pretty perfect. This line's thicker than that line. When I was playing with it earlier, it didn't do this good a job. See, it's a little bit, well, yeah, right there. There's some gray lines. Matter of fact, you could probably make them all black by doing that. But this looks like a really complicated pattern, and it took me a while to kind of look at it. So if you'll stay tuned for part 2, I'm going to show you how to draw this pattern, or try to. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.